whether you're doing this from the back or any position, any choke, I've got to have some form of connection, okay? So when I'm here and I hit this second hand, okay, this with my right, it goes across and it's pulling the lapel down, taking the slack out. Elbows tight.
Tap, 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 tap.
As you hang. Like what you can, and look, you can get away with this right arm not kind of pulling his elbow up a little bit, but we don't want our elbow going on the mat. Okay? So
Tap, tap, tap.
yes, if I pull it up, it just hangs that weight so much more.
There was even some relief when it hit the mat.
The mat absorbs some of the pressure.
So get down in turtle. Okay, so let's look. We're gonna transition to here from the same spot we've been working, so we can just keep working these two postures of the sprawl. Okay? If you just have someone in turtle, it's hard to get this. And you have to do crazy things like add your lapel or pull their lapel out, which is fine. Okay, if you like doing those things. That's the art side of what we're doing. Okay? So as we transition to here, however, if we adhere to some of these things we're talking about, it's going to be hard for him to defend. When we play this spot, we're like hip to hip, my weight's on him, like and a little bit on my feet. Okay? Now, if I'm doing this choke, I've got to turn my hips to the floor and connect and round that spine here. Okay? People will try this and they'll keep their hips right here, and it's harder. Not impossible probably, but I got too much weight going on. Okay, so think about turning your chest down here. Right? Connect everything and round your spine, hang your head over. Okay? So if he's in on the double, right here, and I'm going back, right? Change your posture. Okay? I've got my hand on his head and his elbow. Nice. Now I'm going to sit through, and I'm immediately going in here, turning down for my choke. Okay? So, curved spine, round spine. So we're sitting through on our transition. You can clock and spin. I show both, right? We teach the kids to spin all the time. Get back in. I've been preferring that sit-through style, right? Like here, boom, wham, like this, here. Okay, catch. I've got both lapels already. Here, connect, tap, and hang that weight forward. Does that make sense?
Sir?
1, 2.